Hello everyone. In this video, we will try to learn about the program to insert a substring into the given main string, right? So what we will try to do in this program is first you will try to enter the string, right? And then you will enter the second string, that is in which position you wanted to place that second string. And then you will try to take the particular position, and then you will go back again to your main string, that is whatever the first string you had given, no, that to there you will go, and you will calculate the length of the second position, and you will insert this one into that particular position by adding number of strings, that is by adding number of places into the main string, right? If suppose I wanted to print like welcome PPS session, right? So in middle, I wanted to send welcome to PPS session. So what should I do? Welcome is 7-digit letter. Seven positions are required for welcome, and one space I want. That is total of 8, right? At 8th position, I wanted to insert 2. Right. So what will happen? Total string length you will take. You will take the second string. You will take the length. Right. After taking that length, you will take the user from to at which particular position you wanted to insert that particular second string. And then you will increment the first position array size. That is, you have to include 2 is 2 digits or 2-letter word, right? So I need to insert 2 letters into the A string. So that time my length of the A string will be changed, right? So this is what actual logic that we are following here. So I took 3 variables of character data types of length 20, right? And then you are taking for p is equals to 0, r is equals to 0, I equals to 0. So different purposes like position, and sometimes I wanted to assign whole string to that first letter, like that, right? So we had different uh, variables over there. And then next I'm asking user to enter first string. So here I'm using puts and getters. Puts is used as printf and getters is used as a scanf, right? So enter first string, I'm storing that into A, and puts enter second string, that I'm storing it into B. And I'm asking user to tell where I wanted to insert that substring, that is position. So that one I'm reading into the variable P. Next, what I'm doing, this string length is a predefined method to which I'm passing the A. So whatever the string length of A will be, that one I'm assigning to R. And the string length of B, I'm assigning to N. And you're taking one extra variable. And here is how the logic actually. So what we are trying to do, we are trying to copy the first array into some temporary array. That is, A of I is totally copied into C of I. And then next what I'm doing is S is equals to N plus R. That is total A plus B I should do, no? So if I take welcome and space 2, that is I'm trying to add the 2 digits values to the particular string, no? So like that. And O is equals to P plus N. So what is P? Here the position. At that particular position, I wanted to end. How many, whatever the length of the B is there, that one also I should add. So that is 0 plus P plus N. Next, adding the substring. So for I is equals to P, at which position I said no, whatever the position value you'll give, that position number, then I less than S. So S is nothing but total strength. Of course, it should be less than only. And then what you are doing, you are assigning C of I to X of I. Each time you will assign C of I to X to the variable X. And then you will check, you are checking if T is less than N. So for T, I took the some variable, like temporary variable we took, and we did 0 is less than N. Yes, condition is true. And then A of I is equals to B of T. So what we are doing here, A of I is nothing but your A of T. At that particular position, you are taking the B of T value, and then you are substituting, you are assigning that to A of I. And next I also wanted to include O. First is T, T is done. Then next I wanted to include O string, right? So for that you are incrementing the T is equals to T plus 1. And like this, you will check out all the conditions until all the substring values are being added. Next, what you are doing, A of 0 is equals to X. Why was I doing this one? Because see, C of I completely I had transferred to X, no, that's why. Next, 0 is equals to, O is equals to O plus 1. That is, again, I have to increment the total strength, no, and total length, right? So for that. And then next, printf percentile is A. So now my answer is in A, right? And then finally returning 0 and then closing of your main function, right? So let us compile this code once and try to execute. Right. So after compilation, we got 0 errors and 0 warnings. Next, run the code. So see here, it is asking enter first string. So as I said, I want welcome PPS session. Welcome to PPS Lab. Will keep PPS Lab. Right. So the second string is I want to give 2. Next, enter the position where the substring has to be inserted. So I want after welcome, right, in between here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th position I want, or 9th position, right? So I'll give just 9 here. And see, 9 means it had went to PPS. So just wait. Run it again. So welcome PPS Lab. Next string is to 8th position, I guess. 8. See, welcome to PPS Lab. So now the particular string has been inserted at the 8th position, right? So this is what the program is, inserting a substring into given main string. And as usual, I said why we are using puts and getters in our previous lectures. That is, if you just closely observe, for the scanf and all, if whenever you'll give a space, it will just truncate that, it will just close that. So I want the complete value, welcome space PPS session. So if you'll give for scanf, it will just simply truncate that one. So in order to get rid of that one, we are using here puts and getters, right? So that's all for this video. Thank you all.